a beautiful experience to have for any woman in their life.
Fernandez has made my journey so pleasurable and so comfortable that I never felt like I'm visiting a hospital. And if I look back, I feel like it was a very pleasure journey. It's a kind of a movie.
So midwives also kept supporting me that how I should support my wife during the labor process.
అండ్ చాలా సపోర్టివ్గా కూడా ఉండేవాళ్ళు. ఎప్పుడైతే మనం లోగా ఫీల్ అయ్యి అంటే ప్రాపర్గా ఎమోషనల్ సపోర్ట్ కూడా చేశారు.
Midwives are like a motherly support that I received.
कि प्रेगनेंसी एक हैप्पी जर्नी है. इट्स नॉट यू आर अ पेशेंट और समथिंग. एन्जॉय योर प्रेगनेंसी. उन्होंने जब वो बूस्ट किया, मैंने एंड तक अपने आप को पेशेंट नहीं समझा.
Every person here really respects you as a mother, and they understand your journey.
Hello everyone. On this International Women's Day, I wish to congratulate and thank all women around the globe. At Fernandez, we believe women need to be celebrated every day. We stand committed to the theme of this year, Inspire Inclusion, and reaffirm our commitment to creating a world where every woman is empowered, included, and valued. So together, let's continue to break barriers, challenge stereotypes, and build a more inclusive society, where every woman's voice is heard and respected. Happy Women's Day to all.